They go to life at a party. They go to life at a party. They go to life at a party. Soon as I walk in the room, they be like. They go to life at a party. Soon as I walk in the room, they be like.
Father God, we come here at this moment and say thank you, Lord. Thank you in advance for what you're about to do. Just thank you for just blessing us, bringing us to this moment of our lives and our marriage. Lord, we just thank you right now. Lord, we just ask you right now to bless us as we go, as my baby go on a journey to a different her, so she can become better and she can love herself for the way that she becomes. Lord, we just ask you to just bless her as she goes under the knife, Lord, that she comes out safe and sound, Lord God, that no hurt, harm be done to her. Lord, we just ask you to just keep us in your arms at this moment, Lord. Just bless us each and every day of our lives, Lord. And ask us to just bring us home, Lord God, to continue our lives, Lord God, together, Lord God. In Jesus' name we pray. Bring my baby home. Amen.
Alright guys, so I am on my way to have surgery today. I'm getting the gastric sleeve. There's John. I'm scared, so pray for me, and then I'll explain why I decided to have it and all that good stuff in a minute. Peace.
For a couple of days, she was little.
She said she was little in a couple of days.
Baby said she was sore for a couple of days, but she was little.
Yeah. Okay, but they doing it this way.
Yeah, they doing it through.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Ain't nothing. Okay. Anytime I do it, girl, please. That's right. That's about right. I'm just saying. I thought there was a whole. I know now.
Maybe about
You know what we should have even told her. We should have told her. She went in there and like, nothing wrong.
She'd be like, what you go in there for?
I can see her. It's showing. You need to talk to the doctor because they didn't do this right.
She needs some understanding.
I seen this before. They look at that. My baby should be skinny.
Oh my God.
Not skinny.
Yes, you said.
I didn't mean it literally.
You said they're gonna take it from the back.
They do. They do. They just take so much.
That's liposuction.
Girl, yeah, it's so wrong. You want me to Google it?
No, baby,
No,
we
we know
don't.
what you're talking about, but that ain't what
I
I'm
can
saying.
see you being confused.
Oh man.
Oh, Jesus.
You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, that would have been priceless. We should have captured that moment when you going out to the surgery.
And I'm still with that big about you.
Like she must be small.
I can't believe it.
Like I said, again,
You gotta wait till the swelling go down.
Your name? And your last name? Goss. Okay. I just wanted to make sure, I didn't want to say it wrong, so I had to go come over there and get you. And you guys coming back with us? Mm-hmm.
Headed to the pre-op room.
You guys can have a seat there.
How are you?
nervous.
Yeah.
Well, that is fair.
Trying to kill me.
Because you're ugly.
No, see, this is not the right towel. I told you. It's supposed to be the scoop towel. What's these people?
Scoring bird.
We lost.
Show out. Tell them what scoring bird is.
Right here.
Oh, we just passed that up.
Scoring bird.
We just passed.
Yes.
The elevators?
We just passed it up.
Yeah, you gotta go back and then just make a right.
Yeah, we just passed it up. I didn't know we was going to Schomburg.
Oh,
It's
you
back
going
that
out
way.
the building?
No, it's right there.
It's in this building.
No,
Just
It's a mayonnaise.
no,
make a little
Cause-
jag and take the elevators up.
it's right there.
Thank you.
Because I said you can.
At least I didn't get us all the way
We
down.
going to see.
Oh, we got her. I didn't get us all the way down.
We coming, Tika. Where's she at? Here we coming, Tika.
Could you please
Shay, turn around.
Hi.
We coming.
Yeah, I'm funny. It's right here.
Okay, right here.
Right here.
Right here, good people.
Right here.
Oh, touch my way now.
It's a mirror, Nana.
Yeah, we see us.
Tika Squad.
Say hi, Tika.
We had
Hey,
a,
Tika.
when you post that video to show you this, but yeah. We had us some hot box. They're terrible to me.
I get in the camera.
There you go. Say hi, Tika. See, John.
What you just say?
What you say? You what? Is you happy?
No.
You just not happy right now because you in pain. You gonna be happy.
That's all. You gonna be
You see all the reviews we be looking on that page.
Yeah.
Smoke.
Why you ask somebody do it be painful?
What's up?
I ain't never seen nobody ask that question.
What did you doing?
That's what I'm
They just
saying.
ask they just ask questions like how's y'all anxiety and all
You ain't
that.
got to ask that question because the people at that center told us. They told us.
They said the first day.
boy.
They said the first day. They said the stomach was. They belong to them right now.
They said
Oh.
that you're going to be in a lot of pain. Your stomach and your inside are going to be very upset.
Cause they don't know what's going on.
Who hides in the hospital room? This blood player.
Just science.
Son, come up from behind that bed and zip up that jacket.
Everything.
Hey guys, so I had my surgery yesterday and I don't have my camera, so I'm gonna vlog from my phone. As you can see, my voice is still gone. Yesterday, waking up from surgery was horrible. I was in so much pain. Like I was regretting everything at that point. But with time, as the pain started fading away with the medicines, whatever, I'm comfortable now. So today is starting off way better. Yesterday, I was regretting everything. Keep me lifted, y'all. I am not happy right now. I keep being in pain and nothing is working. Day 3.